Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. Hopefully, they did not drop it because today we have the new clutch for Mr. Jack Black. So we have scuffed up the flywheel. Let's freaking get to work. Let's get this clutch on and see how far we get. So we got us a nice little throw-out bearing here. Let's get some hammers and let's get the old pilot bushing out of here. All right, so have not been recording too much. Definitely making some good progress here. All right, well, it's like 2:30 in the morning. It's been a long night. So, we're gonna see you guys just a sec. All right, new day. Nice and refreshed, feeling good. Oh yeah, we got the old clutch in there. So, let's get the transmission on. Well, we need our clutch fork, we need our fucking throwout bearing, we need all that stuff. Then we're gonna get the clutch on, get the axles in. We need the shift linkage. I need a whiteboard. Fuck. All right, we had some high school kids come and power wash. And just how I told them, I just want it decent. You know, it's not perfect, don't care. It'll get super oily in just a moment when we get it in the car. So we just needed to be able to grab it, move it around, you know. But anyways, transmission is almost ready. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, we are leaving this transmission pretty much stock. I'm not gonna go through the whole fucking rigmarole of opening it and everything. I just want to see if it fucking drives and goes into gears, doesn't grind, all the good stuff. So we're gonna find out. Let's see. Oh, thank God. Oh, yes, okay. Oh my God, thank God. Fucking A, man. Either goes really easy or really hard. And you guys guess which one we're dealing with right now. Oh, thank God. All right. We got some mounts and all the good stuff. Now we got our bitch pin right there. We got a 12. We got this dude. This hits the bitch pin. We got my favorite tool. Let's get this linkage right there. Right there. Oh yeah, I got some new cardboard, you know, laid down. So pretty stoked about that. Oh, that almost broke my fucking finger. Oh. Boom. Oh, come on. Right. All right, so doesn't seem like we got a lot done, but we got a lot done. Very excited. We got the tranny on, we got the clutch, the shift fork, we got the fucking throwout bearing, we got the fucking mounts. Well, we're missing one mount, but anyways, we have so much done tonight. It is very late though, so I could power through, but you know, tomorrow after work, one more mount, intake, fluids. let's fucking go. We're gonna see you guys here in just a sec.
All right, y'all, we're here at Walmart. We're getting some 10W30 for the freaking transmission. I know it sounds crazy, but let's go.
Bam, baby. New day. Now, very excited. We have a transmission mount, and we have some random connectors, triple check my bolts, charge pipe, and filler with fluid. So, fuck am I doing? Oh, you bastard. Oh, goddamn. So yeah, mystery transmission. Get some fucking Quaker State. Not the good shit. That's alright. Alright, we leveled the car. Let's get that other cord in. Oh. Alright, it's like 10 o'clock, but I really cannot wait. So I just need to see if it goes through the gears, you know? So let us pray. Alright, we're not even gonna fire it up because we got first, right? And that's it. We got third, and clutch feels good. But yeah. Well, we got fifth. Thing is fuckered. So I think in the next day or two we're gonna speed run, fucking ripping it out. I have the gear stacks out of the other one. I got my LSD, so whatever. Should we end the video here and just, yeah. It'll be a quick video right here, and it'll be a quick video next time. Classic. Alright guys, well, like I said, we're gonna end it. Thanks for watching. It has not really been fun, but race car life. We'll see you next time. Peace.